A few weeks ago, I asked you which hairstyle you want a detailed tutorial on, and more than 29% of you voted for the bro flow and the wolf cut. I already made a detailed video on the wolf cut, so you can watch that later. I'll put the link in the description. Today, I'll break down how to get the bro flow hairstyle, how to grow it properly, how to cut it, style it, and maintain it the right way. There isn't just one version of this hairstyle. Some of the most popular variations include a tapered flow, a mid-length flow with a part, a classic slick flow, a semi-part style, a surfer-inspired look, a smooth side-swept version, a curly flow with a fade, long curly styles, and even a flow mullet. The most important thing to understand is that the base stays the same, only the length, texture, and sides change. Length is the most important part of achieving this look. The front hair should reach close to the tip of your nose, and the overall length should sit somewhere between the neck and shoulders, roughly 15 to 18 centimeters. If your hair is too short, it will fall forward, won't stay pushed back, and the flow will look weak. Since hair grows around 1 to 1.2 centimeters per month, reaching this length can take anywhere from 6 to 12 months. During this phase, regular trims are important because they keep the shape clean and prevent the style from looking messy while growing. When you visit your barber, you need to be very clear about what you want. Ask for enough length on top so the hair can be pushed back naturally, and make sure the sides blend softly into the top instead of looking sharp or aggressive. Avoid harsh fades, because this style needs balance. If the sides are cut too tight, the flow completely disappears. One of the best things about this hairstyle is its versatility. It works well with oval faces, square faces, and even slightly round faces if the sides are kept under control. Hair type also matters. Wavy or curly hair works especially well because it adds natural movement, while straight hair needs a bit more styling effort but can still achieve the look. This style suits both younger and older men. It adds maturity to younger guys and gives older men a fresh, youthful appearance. If you want to increase the masculine edge, pairing it with a short beard helps balance the softness of longer hair. To keep your hair healthy while growing it out, use a mild shampoo that suits your scalp and focus mainly on cleaning the scalp rather than the end. Wash your hair every 2 to 3 days instead of daily. After shampooing, use a light conditioner and consider deep conditioning once every few weeks. Just avoid over-conditioning because it can make your hair look flat and lifeless. Once you reach your desired length, the cut becomes very important. Ask your barber for light layers toward the bottom and avoid blunt cutting. Layers add movement, shape, and natural flow. Without layers, the hairstyle can look heavy and flat. For styling, always start with clean, damp hair. Not soaking wet. Apply a light product like sea salt spray, mousse, or a lightweight styling cream. Avoid heavy gels or pomades because they kill natural movement. Use your fingers instead of a comb and casually push the hair back. If you want more volume, blow dry on low or medium heat while directing airflow backward and shaping with your fingers. Finish with a very light hairspray only if needed. Remember, less product always looks better. You can wear it naturally, add a side or middle part, tie a half bun, or go for a man bun during workouts.